హాయ్ గైస్, మన ఛానల్కి స్వాగతం సుస్వాగతం. ఎలా ఉన్నారు అందరూ? బాగున్నారా? ఇప్పుడు మీరు చూస్తున్న ఈ వీడియో అనేది చాలా చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉంటుంది. మీరు ఒక మనిషిని ఎత్తుకుపోయేంత పెద్ద సైజు గ్రద్దల్ని, నెక్స్ట్ రాబందుల్ని అయితే చూస్తారు ఈ వీడియోలోని. ఈ వీడియో అనేది సింగపూర్లోని జురాంగ్ బర్డ్ పార్క్ అండి. బర్డ్ పార్క్లో అన్ని రకాల బర్డ్స్ అయితే ఉంటాయి. అందులోని ఈగల్ యాక్టివిటీస్, వల్చర్ యాక్టివిటీస్ అనేవి మార్నింగ్ మనకి 10 o'clock షో అయితే స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ షో ఉంటుంది. ఈ షో స్పెషల్ ఏంటంటే వాళ్ళు వీటికి బర్డ్స్కి వాటికి కూడా ట్రైనింగ్ ఇచ్చి వాటితోనైతే మనకి యాక్టివిటీస్ అనేవి చేయిస్తారు. అంటే విన్యాసాలు అవి కూడా అవి ఎలా చేస్తాయి ఏంటి అనేది ఈ షోలో అయితే చూడొచ్చు. సో ఇక్కడ ఒక ఇన్స్ట్రక్టర్ అయితే ఉన్నారు కదా, అతను వాటిని ఎలా ఇన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేస్తాడో చూడండి. అతని చేతిలో ఫుడ్ అది ఉంటుంది, వాటితోని ఎలా ఆడిస్తూ ఉంటాడో ఆడియన్స్ అందరికీ కూడా ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తారో చూడండి. స్కిప్ చేయకుండా చాలా చాలా బాగుంటుంది. ఎండ్ వరకు చూడండి.
Applause, everyone. That was an awesome catch, right? There you go. Birds have rough undersides, which enable them to get a good grip, and they also have scaly legs, so this prevents bites and all that. There you go. Now, for the white-bellied sea eagle, when they are very young, when they're born, right, they're completely brown in color. Once they hit the age of about 6 to 7, that's when the feathers on their head, all the way down to their belly, will turn completely white. Hence the name, the white-bellied sea eagle. All right, now Nelson has done pretty well. Right now it's time for him to head back home. Let's give him a big round of applause, everyone. Thank you. Nice flight. See you later, boy. Nice. Ladies and gentlemen, meet Titan, our turkey vulture. Turkey vultures can be found in the Americas, and they are pretty abundant in the wild. Close to about 10 million of them. They will have to rely on larger vultures to help them out. And here's an interesting fact about the turkey vulture. They have got extremely acidic stomach acid, gastric acid, almost 0 pH level. So you can imagine how powerful their digestive system is, okay? Let's give him a big round of applause, everyone. Thank you very much, Titan. All the way back to Gabriel. See you. Bye-bye. Nice flight. There you go. Please remain seated and be as quiet as possible so you can get to experience the owl's unique ability of silent flight. Whoa! A acute sense of hearing as well. So the owl would have to be very quiet in order to catch its prey without being detected at all. That's why they're also known as the silent hunters of the night. Now everyone, meet Belang. Belang's a Malay fish owl. Malay fish owls can be found throughout Southeast Asia, and this particular species has evolved to hunt for fish. So that makes them pretty unique indeed. There you go. Oh, we have another owl joining us, everyone. Okay, that's right. And Soren back there, he's about 8 years old this year. Hey, you want to head back home? Let's give a big round of applause, everyone. Thank you. These birds can jump pretty high and catch them in mid-air. So this is a little demonstration. Come on, Raul. Oh, if you thought that was impressive, let's try higher. Whoa, look at that. Very nice. All right. As well. All right. So looks like we are all set. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's welcome Rado. Come on, Rado. Here he comes. Whoa, nice catch. Come on, Rado. Here we go. Whoa! Excellent! Wow, that's so big! Birds like Rado are also capable of catching insects in mid-air. And this time I'm going to toss a piece of food. I am in the air! Wow! Would you like to see more of that? Yes, okay, so I'm going to do a couple of throws. The authorities contacted us. We managed to rescue him and nurse him back to good health. So don't you think he looks pretty healthy right now? Yes. All right, Kenji, it's time for you to head back home as well. We're going to get to see more of your friends later on. Good boy. Thank you very much. Home is at When one vulture descends upon a carcass, more will follow. Ladies and gentlemen, joining us in the arena right now, we have our group of scavengers, and I'm going to start introducing them very shortly, alright? First of all, you've got the two lovely ladies back there, the two tall stalks. Those are our marabou stalks, and they can be found in Africa. Now, the marabou stalks are known to actually coexist with vultures in the wild, where they will scavenge for food together. Now, along with the stalks, we have got two different species of vultures. The two big brown ones are the cinereous vultures, okay? They can be found in Europe and Asia. And of course, we've got this little guy over here, the gray one. Now that would be the African white-backed vulture, and they can be found in Africa. Now, ladies and gentlemen, vultures are extremely important birds to our environment because they help to control the spread of contagious diseases by cleaning up animal carcasses. But unfortunately, the world's vulture population is facing a rapid decline, and this is evident in African and Asian species. For example, the cinereous vultures are actually near threatened species, and the African white-backed vulture is critically endangered. That's right, you heard me right, critically endangered. Today, I'm sure all of you would agree that they certainly deserve and merit the title, the Kings of the Sky. With that, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of our presentation, and we hope you've enjoyed it as much as we have in presenting it to you. Before you go, please remember to take all your belongings with you. You have been an awesome audience. Thank you very much for visiting us. Have a great day in the park, everyone, and stay safe. Goodbye.